Hi, we showed you in our previous clip evidence that Bill Swatek, an attorney from Pelham, Alabama, and Chris Curry, the sheriff of Shelby County, Alabama, have committed honest services wire and mail fraud. And this is not something new for Mr. Swatek. If you read my blog, Legal Schnauzer, I've made many references to the fact that he has an almost 30-year career history of unethical activity. And I'm going to show you now exactly what I'm talking about. I've been to the Alabama State Bar in Montgomery and seen his file. It's almost a foot thick. In fact, the day I was down there, I thought a guy was going to get a hernia from bringing it out. And that's just the public file. That's not the entire file. But let me show you. I've got several documents here. This is from the Alabama State Bar, and it shows you the 3 times that Bill Swatek has been publicly disciplined by the Alabama State Bar. And one of these, by the way, was 5 complaints rolled into one. And that's how serious a problem this gentleman has had. I'm going to show you, starting with the least severe, we're going to work up to the most severe case. This is another document. This is a case from 1999. Okay, I think we're through looking at that document. Let me tell you just a little bit about this case. This involved a woman named Catherine Barnett, who had to be defended in a slander suit from her ex-son-in-law. The case wound up being dismissed, and she did not find out about it. She paid $1,500 for representation to Mr. Swatek. She didn't find out about it for about, looks like 5 months, and the bar said that he refused to refund a portion of the attorney's fees, and he failed to account for his time spent on the matter or any unearned portion of the attorney's fees. So he was received a private reprimand for that. I want to show you another document, another case. This is from 1997. Okay, I think we've had a chance to look at that document. This involved a woman, and this, I'm not making this up, folks. This has really happened. This is a woman named Kathleen Kleckler who was bitten by a dog. I believe she lived in Clanton, Alabama. Mr. Swatek was her attorney. Her case got dismissed and messed up because he sued the wrong person. And what he did, he sued a dead man. And I'm not making this up. He sued a dead man. And this woman filed, he wound up getting Mr. Swatek a public reprimand for this. So that's the kind of lawyer he is. He sues dead people. And that's 2 examples. Now we're going to go to a real big case of public discipline, but I want to give you one other real quickly, an example of Mr. Swatek's problems with the law. This is a case where he was found guilty of driving while intoxicated in Pelham, Alabama. And I'll show you a couple of other documents here. I'm going to ask my cinematographer to hold on. This is a document that says disposition of case, guilty of driving while intoxicated, City of Pelham versus William Swatek. This is in April of 1981. You'll notice, guilty, driving while intoxicated. Then we have an appeal from the Recorder's Court of the City of Pelham. Mr. Swatek appeals this to the county court, the state court in Shelby County, and by golly, look what happens. The case is dismissed. He's found guilty of driving while intoxicated in the City of Pelham. In Shelby County courts, the case is dismissed. Now that's the kind of treatment Bill Swatek has been receiving. This is 1981. We're now in 2008. This is June of 2008, and that's the kind of stuff the favors he's been receiving all this time. Now we're just getting started. This is. I want to show you a paper trail. We're just getting started, and we've got the really big case coming right up.